Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today we are talking about my Coastal Scents order that finally got here. I am super excited about this video. I will be doing swatches of what I got and kind of a tutorial slash first impressions with some of the shadows. So I am super excited. We're gonna first talk about the items that I got from Coastal Scents for my giveaway. I'm super excited to share these with you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and start with that, and then I'll show you what I got, and then we'll go into the swatches and then the tutorial. So the first thing that I have for you guys in the giveaway is this Coastal Scents liquid eyeliner in Jet. I'm a fan of liquid eyeliners like this. I know not everyone is, but I am a fan of these, and I thought it would be nice to share with you guys. Then I did go ahead and get some single shadows for you guys, because why not add some more single shadows to the collection of everything that is in there. So the first one I got is Pomegranate Red. It's a very deep red. The next one here is Panama Rose. It's kind of a purpley shifting, kind of, not shifting, purpley metallic is what I meant. Eyeshadow. Shifting, gosh. Dark Mango, which is this dark orange color. Then I got Pumpkin Pie. And then I got this beautiful Polar Blue color. So those will all be in the giveaway. Let me show you what I got. So here are the shadows. Oh, let me open this. I did also get this palette. Here are the shadows that I got from Coastal Scents. I made my own rainbow palette. I got a lot of purples, got a lot of fun colors that I've been wanting to play with. I've been wanting to try Coastal Scents for a while, and I just have not been able to. So I'm super excited to share these with you, and I'm super excited for whoever wins my upcoming giveaway, because I've got some fun stuff in store. Like seriously, not just these Coastal Scents products, but I have a whole bucket, so I am super excited about that. Just so you guys know I talk about it in every video, but it is coming up, and I am pretty close to 800 subscribers, so I just want to thank everyone that has subscribed to my channel, because that is just truly amazing. Truly amazing. Thank you. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into the swatching portion of this video. I am probably going to voice it over, just because that is going to be easier. These are going to be live swatches of me actually swatching these on camera for you. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first shade we have here is going to be Peach Puff. This is a very light pink shade, and it very much comes across that way when I swatch it. As you can see there, very light. The next shade here is Persian Pink. This is another light pink, but it's not quite as light as Peach Puff. Some of these take a couple times to build up even when I swatch them, so there you are. The next one is Fancy Pansy. Kind of a light, like purpley pink color. I wasn't sure where to put this in my rainbow of colors, so this is where I put it. The next one is Rosy Pink. It is perfectly named, because that is exactly what it is, a rosy pink. Then we have Hot Tamale, which is kind of like a hot pink slash kind of a red color. Yep, there it is. Next up is Baked Clay, which is an orangey red kind of color. Then we have a Vibrant Red. And this is, as described, a vibrant red. Then we have Maroon Berry. So it's kind of like a purpley red. It's very kind of in that range. Then we have Tangelo Tint, which is a bright kind of yellow orange color. Then bright tangerine, which is a very vibrant orange. Then we have Sunbeam, which is a light yellow. And a very light yellow. Very, very pale yellow. Kind of in the pastel family. Then we have a bright yellow, and this yellow is bright. Here we go with the swatch. It works better in the crease, I'll just say that. Then we have Fairy Gold. There it is, swatched for you. Up next is Fool's Gold, which is kind of like that mustard yellow kind of color. I don't have anything else in my collection quite that color, so I was excited to get that one. Then we have Mellow Yellow, which is a green. So I did want to say I've played with a few of these since making this video. So I have a little more insight, and I might put that in the description box for you. Then we have Spring Fever. Up next is Pinehurst. Pinehurst is like a gorgeous green. Oh. Then we have Grapevine. I will say this, I'm sorry that some of my swatches are out of frame. I'm swatching them. Then we have Minty Fizz. Beautiful green, like blue-green mint color, and I love it. Then we have Pacific Opal, which is more teal. Oh, it's so pretty. Next up is Sky Blue, and it's very much aptly named. Then there's Light Slate. And this one's very close to Sky Blue. It's a little more gray toned than Sky Blue. Then we have Indigo. Swatch, swatch, swatch. There's Indigo. Then we have Violetville. Up next is Little Grapelet, or Grapette. This one takes a little bit to build up, even in swatches. Then we have a Raspberry Tart. So pretty. Next up is Vibrant Plum. Then we have a Deep Grape. Up next is Midnight Blue. This should be with the blues and not the purples, but you know, you make mistakes when you're putting things. Oh, that's a deep blue. Then we have Edgy Eggplant. And then up next is Profound Plum. And there you are. There are all the swatches. Well, there are all of the swatches of the shadows that I purchased. Some of the ones that I have swatched I have on my eyes, and I can say they work a little differently on the eyes than just the swatches. I wouldn't discount any of the shadows just because of the swatches, but just know I have not fully tested all of them. And I will say this, if there are any color combinations that you want to see me play around with or specific colors, please leave that in the comments down below. Now we are going to get to the tutorial portion of this video, so keep on watching. There I am, showing off all my stuffs. We are using mostly the reds and the pinks. We'll use the occasional purple color. I'm going in first with Peach Puff. I did already prime my eyelids and everything before starting to film this. This is just going into... Next up, we're going in with Persian Pink to kind of deepen the crease a bit. Blend, blend, blend. Then we're going in with Hot Tamale, and I'm using a very thin little blending brush because I really want to work this into my crease. As you can see, that is exactly what I'm doing, is working it straight into my crease. Then I'm going to go in with the other shades still on that brush and going to kind of blend everything together. Now I'm going in with Baked Clay and just working that on the outer edge of my eye, the outer V. I'm going in and blending everything once again. Then I'm going in with Vibrant Red, and this is also going to go on the outer V of my eye just to deepen everything up and make it pop more. Then I'm going to take Raspberry Tart, and I'm going to put this all over my lid. Just thought it was pretty with all the reds and the pinks. Now I'm going to take my Pretty Vulgar gel ink liner, and we're going to do my liner with this. I thought it would be nice not to speed this part up and kind of let you guys see the process of me doing my liner with a gel liner. Just because I haven't done it in a while on my channel and I didn't want to skip through this part or do it super fast. Gel eyeliner takes me a little bit longer, but I do enjoy using a gel liner. Now we're going to do the wing. I do better wings with gel liner, and I don't know why I forgot that. So I am super excited to be playing with the gel eyeliner again. I do have one from e.l.f. also. I'm loving this one from Pretty Vulgar, and part of it definitely is the packaging, but this one stays really well. And that is always a good sign. Then I'm going to use my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, the mascara love of my life. I'm going in with my Anti-Precision Basket Case Liner, and then I'm going to take Vibrant Plum, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Just to kind of tie everything in with the purple kind of on my lid there. Going back in with the Maybelline Great Lash. Now I'm going to take my Stila Stale Day Heaven 2 highlighter, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner. Well, there you have it. There is this very pretty and basic look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed this video and that you kind of saw what I kind of think of these coastal scent shadows. I will say this. Some of them obviously do work better on the eyes, the ones that I use, than what they swatch. Some of them work about what they did on my eyes as they did swatch, if that makes any sense, like some of the not so good ones. But I think for the sale that went on, 99 cents is an amazing price. I think that it's worth checking Coastal Scents out. I mean, some of the shadows obviously are going to be hit or miss. This is just my first impression. I am planning on doing a full-fledged tutorial on the shades that I picked up in the future. I want to play around with them more, and I am wondering what kind of color combinations you want me to play around with these new shadows. So leave those down below, and I will be doing tutorials. Maybe I'll do a 3 looks 1 palette using my Coastal Scents palette here, and just kind of create some looks. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, I do have a giveaway coming up once I hit 800 subscribers. I know I keep mentioning that, but I am super excited to do this giveaway. And I really, really am thankful for everyone that does subscribe to my channel. I try to comment back to everyone that comments. I know sometimes I miss, and I'm sorry. I'm not perfect. Well, thank you again, and I do hope that you'll give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and bye!